All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today I have an unboxing. It's a little bit short, but I just want to show everything in transparency, what I get from these brands or from sponsors like Maven Filters. And I want to say thank you, Maven Filters, for sending this box out. Pretty thoughtful of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe, like, and share. I am a photographer, filmmaker, and I am suffering through financial homelessness right now. If any of you want to support the channel, all I need you to do is subscribe, like, and share. And I'm only sharing what I am sharing in real time and transparency. So if you like any of the content on this channel, please subscribe. I want to say thank you, Maven Filters, for always supporting what I do. Even though they know my situation is a little rough right now, they still want to support, and that's a good brand. You want brands like that to support you because that helps you with your mental health. That helps you seek out your friends and know who your friends are. And Maven Filters are really good friends, and they send me this box, which I'm not going to show you invoice because it has some personal information on it, but I am going to show you what's inside this box. All right, so they gave me this Maven Filter light ring light adapter. This is a ring light adapter. All right, let's take a look at it. This is 3D printed. Nice. It still has like some of that fur from the 3D print on it. I don't mind, that's okay. That's when you know it was made fresh. So, but I just want to show you, I'm pretty sure this is going to improve over time in the future. I don't think this is going to be permanent, because here's the thing I know about Maven Filters. They always have other designs to similar components or accessories to your everyday photography. And I know Maven Filters is going to make a version 2 of this. So, and now we got the ring light. Let me just move this out the way. We got this ring light here. Okay? So this is what they sent me, and then pay attention to why it says mini. You see that? It says mini. Why does it say mini? That's a good question. Are they coming out with a max version? Or a pro version? Alright. But anyway, inside the box, you get a Maven light case instruction manual. Okay? So you got your brightness, dim, your Hemi, your on and off button, and your light indicator. Okay, so it says model number VL12 voltage 4.2 at 0.75 amps. Wow. Wattage is at 8 watts max. Black color material is a ABS PC. And here's the color temperature. It says 2700 to 6000, and it weighs about 67 grams. And this is CRI 95 certification. The size is a 113 by 126 by 25 mils. And yeah, the range is from 3% to 100%. So, and here is the product's functions and descriptions and caution. You must read this. If you want to pause, pause. Or let me move my fingers out the way so you can snapshot it. But anyway, guys. Now, some of you guys are probably going to say, and I have read comments like, don't you think the packaging is kind of cheesy? It's like, it's better than Chinese packaging. Let's be honest about that. It's simple. It doesn't have to be exotic or complicated. Yeah, some people would like to see protection for these products, like cushion around it inside. Yeah, but listen, I'm not really worried about the quality because, mind you, I dropped this particular CPL multiple times. I even dropped this on a live stream yesterday, in the middle of a live stream. This is how durable Maven filters are. Really durable filters. So I was told by Maven himself, Michael, that I can actually, hold on, how you open this? Okay. It comes with a USB to Type-C. And here's the ring light. I want to show you guys the ring light in person. I feel like some of the videos do show the ring light, but I want to show it in real time. I'm shooting this in 4K 60, so you can see the quality. I'm not going to downscale the footage to 1080p 60. I could, and you still get the benefits of it. But I like this. This is the extra strength magnetism that Maven Filters is using. I noticed that because it's on my other filters. Look, let me show you. So these are my Maven filters. These are my 95s set. I do have 77 thread sets, but I did not bring them this time. So let me just show you real quick. Oh wow, I hate when this happens. So Maven Filters also sent me this strange magnetic adapter. This is one of their new, they call it Threadless adapters, which means like you don't have to thread on anymore, just adapt. Now it does work if I was downscaling. See, it says 95 to 77, not 77 to 95. So it's a step down ring. And what would I use this for? I have no idea yet, but I'm dying to use this because I like the quality of this. But anyway, that's what this reminds me of. This filter, it's like a doppelganger. Yeah, it's a doppelganger. But I just told Maven Filters that they need to send me, if they can send me, a 77 to a 82, because this is an 82 thread. This here is an 82 thread. So, with that said, let's turn this on. Oh, do I have to? I guess there's no power. Oh, there is power. Wow, that's bright. Okay, dim. Ooh, look at that. You can see each and every LED light. See? Alright, now we know. How many are there? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8, 50. Are they 52 LED lights here? Okay, I think there are 52 LED lights in here. Okay, so, what does this do? Okay, that goes to the top. This button here called the Hemi. That's the lower. Nice, you can light up. Look at that. Dude, that is sick. That's sick, bro. I cannot wait to use this. Oh, my panda. But anyway, guys, I just want to show you in real time the Maven Filter Mini ring light for your micro photography, or when you're doing portraits or you're doing headshots. You can use this for not just, I'd say micro a lot, because I do a lot of micro. I do a lot of micro. I used to do a lot of portraits too. This is why this would come in handy. Okay, so let's just put this away. But I was told also that these diopters will also fit. So Maven Filters also send me a 4 times strength and a 2 times strength. What? So I guess we're gonna take a sneak peek at this really quickly, but before we do that, let's just put this stuff away. Oops. Okay. So you got to press it down for about 3 seconds to finally shut it off. It seems like. Is that the right way? Yeah. So that's how you put it back in. It comes with this cable. Keep that in mind. So we just discovered that New York City Parks took my broom and shovel again, because they took the trash yesterday. So I need to talk to them about that. That's the third time they're stealing from the community here. That's not nice when they don't clean this side of the park. And they're gonna say, how you know this? I'm like, I've been documenting it for months. I got video on this, but that's why I'm at the skate park. So this is the 2x diopter. Actually, let me just open all this at one time. Oh, plastic. Ah. Oh, my Panda. All right. So I got both diopters unplasticed. All right. Okay, so it comes in this big, wow, this is a big case for a special diopter. Okay. Wow, this got some, whoa, this got some earth to it, man. It's a very chunky glass. Oh, man, Panda, you can literally look at that. You see that? That's crazy. On a micro lens. I cannot wait to use this. That is, yeah, that's what these are. Okay, but I just want to show you I want to show you this design here. I'm not sure you guys can see. Can you guys see it? Wait, let me fix the focus because it's not focusing now. Okay. Not sure you guys can see that. Come on. But yeah, that's a very interesting filter. Okay, you know what I need to do? I'm gonna do this in real time. I'm gonna take this CPL off, right? I'm going to add the Maven filter step up ring from 77 to 95. This is called the Threadless system. Then I can put on, actually no, and then take one of these filters. I need a 3-stop right now. There you go, boom. And then put this to the side here. And then let's open this one up. Oh, that's right, I'm not using Blackmagic app. I'm thinking I'm using the Blackmagic app and I'm using the standard camera. But here's a 4x diopter. Oh wow, this has got some chunky with some weight to it. You may want to be careful with these, everyone. And no, these do not have a case for them. I wish they came with a case. It would have been nice to carry these at any given time instead of carrying these big chunky cases. But yeah, everyone, this is the 4x diopter. Oh wow, that is, woo, that is oh my Panda, that is, you can, and mind you can stack these too. Oh wait, can you? Wait, are you allowed to? I don't want to. Oh yeah, so this is 2x, this is 4x, I think. Wait, let's make sure. Which one is which? Okay, this is 2x because it says 2x right here. And this one says 4x. You can see it right here. All right, so now we can stack these apparently on top of each other. So that's pretty cool for micro photography. Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty cool. But these got some very much some weight to it. Oh my panda, yeah, these got some weight to it. But I wish these came in a case. Well, they did come in a case, but you know, a soft case, travel case would have been really cool. But other than that, everyone, this has been my unboxing and my first look at Maven Filters Diopters, because mind you, they've been out for a while. And Maven Filters told me that he wants to, you know, I told him, you know, let the Kickstarter people get their stuff first and I come last. But yeah, and I'm pretty sure there's more to see here, because mind you, I got other adapters like this Splash UV Filter 95, which is pretty simple, but this one's a thread-on to magnetized. So, and this one is just a thread one with just magnetized. This is just a standard. I really like the extra strength versions of the magnetized set for Maven Filters. So with that said, everyone, this has been a Maven Filter moment. If you guys want to purchase, you can hit that barcode. But with that said, everyone, I appreciate you guys watching this unboxing and first impressions early this morning. But I need to get ready for work, and I see you guys in the next video. Thank you, Maven Filters, for all this lovely gear and lovely toys. It's been amazing. But with that said, thanks. Talk to you guys in the next one.